above Florida's nature coast, the Weeki Wachee River winds like a ribbon of glass, ancient, wild, and hiding stories older than the pines below. For centuries, people whispered that these waters were home to mysterious beings, shimmering mermaids who surfaced only when the sun lit the springs just right. Long before Florida theme parks were a thing, travelers flocked here to witness something unbelievable, real mermaids, dancing beneath the surface, breathing through hidden air hoses, and turning folklore into living magic. Maybe it was the echo of the caves. Maybe it was imagination. Or maybe the mermaids were real, guarding the ancient waterways that fed the Gulf. Today, Weeki Wachee's magic lives on. The mermaids still perform, but the folklore? That runs deeper than any show. Deeper than the caverns, deeper than the spring itself. From the sky, you can see it clearly. Weeki Wachee isn't just a place. It's a story. One that drifts between fantasy and Florida's wild heart. A legend written in water. A myth that still shimmers, if you know where to look.